What's up guys, and today we're gonna play Airplane Fly Megatropolis, and today we're gonna fly the Ultra Shark as a test fly and see how good it is. But I played this plane before and it's actually quite slow, and I'll show you guys what I mean. But the good thing about this plane that it lands in water, like not a lot of planes do. So we're gonna go to Dunham Tunnel, which is about 350 meters. I think this is in meters, unless it's more than meters, because it looks like more than meters, but I don't know. So 300 away, but I don't know if it's in meters or not, or in miles. But when we get to the Dunham Tunnel, we'll see how it lands. But the thing is, this plane is really slow. So you've got to keep your time and have patience. I think we have to slow down our engines because we are near the tunnel where we're gonna land. This is quite an unusual landing spot, but looks like we have to land inside the mountain. I think we could go a little bit faster to catch up. So basically we're almost there, less than 100, and there's the tunnel. Really futuristic, eh? Because this is supposed to be based on a futuristic city, or a Megatropolis, which is another name for a future city like game I'm playing right now. So we're slowly getting there. They get there a little bit faster. Okay, the wheels are up. And we should land perfectly. And we shouldn't crash land like I sometimes do. Even though it isn't recorded as like a test. No, that's perfect. A perfect landing. Such a big landing site for a tunnel. To me it is, but I don't know if you guys think it's like big enough. Well, anyways, I got 73 points. But anyways, please comment, like and subscribe.